The overall goal of this procedure is to simulate the planetary interior differentiation process. This is accomplished by first mixing olivine silicate, iron powder, and iron sulfide homogeneously. The second step is to load the mixture into a high-pressure cell assembly. Next, the assembly is pressurized to 6 gigapascal and heated to 1800 degrees Celsius in a multi-anvil device. The final step is to recover the sample and prepare it for 3D imaging. Ultimately, the 3D image is used to visualize the distribution of silicate and molten metal and determine if the liquid metal can percolate through the crystalline silicate to form a core.
This method can help answer key questions in planetary science, such as planetary core formations through percolations.
Begin by preparing materials for the simulation of the percolation process in core formation. Make about 1 gram of a mixture of natural silicate olivine and metallic iron powder with 10 weight% sulfur. In an agate mortar under ethanol. Grind the starting material to fine mixed powder for 1 hour. Once this is done, dry the materials at 100 degrees Celsius for 1 hour. Retrieve the dried material and, once they're cool, begin preparations for the multi-anvil experiments. Load the starting material into a sintered aluminum oxide capsule approximately 1.5 millimeters in diameter and 1.5 millimeters in length. Next, place the capsule in a high-pressure cell assembly.